What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Ren from Ren and Stimpy. Let's begin today's lesson along the top center of our page and draw an oval for the left eye. We're going to start from the very top. Just going to give this a slight angle coming down and then back up towards the top. Let's tuck the right eye in behind. So we're going to start from the top. We're just going to angle this oval coming down towards the right, come around and then back up. Let's push the iris towards the inside, so on the top left, go all the way around, come down and then in. And I want to do the same thing on the right. So we're going to start on the inside, we're going to go out, around, and then in. Let's move to the inside and draw two small ovals and fill those in black for the pupils. Now the bridge of the nose starts in between the eyes, so we're going to come down and out. Curve this down and then in towards the bottom. Let's go back up to this top one. I'm just going to curve the top of the nose, going across and then down. Bend this down and then in. Let's work our way along the inside of the nostrils. Starting on the left, we're going to go up, come across towards the middle and then down, go up and then down towards the right. Along the side of the nose, we'll continue the curve of the mouth, going out and then up. Now we're going to go all the way over towards the left side of the eye, step over and draw the mouth. We're going to start up here, curve this down, come in across underneath the nose, and then just pull that up towards the point on the right. Let's add a bracket across the top corner of the mouth, going up and then down. Now we're going to open up the mouth, starting up here, bend this around and then down towards the bottom, come across and then up. Let's separate the teeth along the top with a straight line. We'll separate the teeth coming down with two more lines towards the bottom. Let's draw the bottom row of teeth, starting from the side, angle this down, forward towards the right, and we'll separate the teeth with two more lines. Now the tongue is going to come up underneath the bottom row of teeth. So we're going to start by going up and then down to create a fold. Step back, go up and then down. Now along this top, draw the back side of the mouth with a curve, and we want to fill this area in black. Let's go back to the bottom of the mouth, curve this down and then in towards the body. Now from the corner of the mouth, let's step out. Just going to curve the jaw. Just follow the curve of the mouth, coming down, bend this down, and then in, leaving a gap in between. Now we're going to go all the way up toward the top of the right eye, curve the head, going up and then down. And then we'll layer the ear on top of the head. So we're going to step in, curve this out, up, and then out. Let's curve the bottom of the ear, come down, round out the ear, and then pull that in toward the side of the head. Let's add that fold along the bottom of the ear. We go out and then up towards the top. Let's draw the other ear in behind. We're going to start from the top of the head, bend this across and up towards the left. Round up the ear, come down and then in on top. Now we're going to add the eyebrows on top of the eyes with a straight angled line on the left and then coming down on the right. I'm also going to add some hairs coming up from the top of the head. So let's start up here, bend this up and over towards the right. Step over, draw it two more times. Now we're going to move back down and draw on the body. Let's start from the chin, bend the body going out, down, and then back in. And then going to the left side of the neck, we're just going to curve the arm coming around and then out with a straight line. Let's point the thumb going up, and bend this out and up. Round out the tip of the thumb, go out, and then back in towards the hand. Let's go back to the top of the arm, step down. I'm just going to curve this out, and then bend this down towards the first finger. Let's round out the finger, pull it up, and then in. Now there are two more fingers in behind. Starting from the tip, come around, up, and in. And we'll do that one more time, going up towards the thumb. Now inside the palm, let's add a curve. Let's go underneath the arm, curve the back, coming down and then out. Now I want to draw that same arm flipped over on the right side in behind the body. So we're going to start from the top and goes down and then out. Let's draw that same thumb, curving this up, round at the tip of the thumb, come around and then in towards the hand. Now let's draw the inside of the arm. Bend this out and then down towards the first finger. Let's round out the finger, bend this back in. And just like we did on the left side, we're going to add 2 more fingers in behind. Starting from the tip, come all the way around and then up. And we'll do that one more time, going in towards the thumb. Let's add in the palm, going up and down. Let's go to the hips, step in towards the middle, and then down, and add a slight curve going in between the legs. We'll step in to create an overlap, angle the legs going out, and then down towards the knees. From the knees, we're going to bend the legs, coming down and then in towards the heels. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to come down and then up. Now we'll round out the first toe and then bend that in. Let's layer 2 more toes in behind, starting from the end, going out, and then hook that in. Now we're going to do that one more time, going out, up towards the top of the foot, and bend this down towards the ankle. Now let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to start with the left side, bend this out and then down towards the knee, come down and in towards the ankle. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the left hip, let's draw on the tail, bend this out and then up. We'll pull that back in, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Ren from Ren and Stimpy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.